Hey everyone! Today we are checking out some essential tech accessories from BENFEI. We've got a variety of products here designed to make your digital life easier. Just a heads up, BENFEI sent us these products to review, but they did not pay for this video and they will not see it before it's published. This is our honest, unbiased take. First up is the BENFEI Memory Card Reader. Its best feature is the dual USB-A and USB-C connectors. This means that you can transfer photos from your camera's SD or micro SD card to your iPhone 15 Pro and up versions, a MacBook, or any other devices without needing extra adapters. This simultaneous 2-in-1 card readers offers a fast transfer speed of up to 160 megabytes per second, making the transfer quick and efficient. It's a simple, elegant solution for just $9.99. Next, we have the BENFEI laptop and docking station. This stand is made of sturdy metal with non-slip rubber on the bottom. It raises your laptop for better ergonomics, but it's also a powerful 6-in-1 USB-C docking station. It has 4K 60Hz HDMI port and 4 USB 3.0 port that boost a speed of up to 5 gigabit per second. In our speed tests, these ports consistently reach nearly 400 megabytes per second. Plus, it delivers 100 watt of power to charge your laptop. Just a quick heads up, while it's great for MacBooks, the fan alignment might be different for other laptop models, though it's a fantastic 2-in-1 product for $39.99. For on-the-go convenience, there's the BENFEI 2-in-1 Multifunctional Card Reader. It's incredibly compact with both USB-A and USB-C connectors and a keychain loop. This is a multi-function card reader with a theoretical transfer rate of up to 5 gigabits per second, perfect for quickly offloading files from your phone to your SD card or micro SD card, and offloading files to your laptop. At only $8.99, it's a must-have for your camera bag. Finally, we have the BENFEI 2.5-inch hard drive enclosure. This is a great way to give a new life to an old hard drive. Just slide in a 2.5-inch drive from an old laptop to create a new external storage. The USB-A and USB-C ports on this enclosure have a transmission rate of up to 5 gigabits per second, ensuring fast data transfer. It's a highly versatile solution for just $8.99. Whether you need a simple card reader or a full docking station, BENFEI offers practical and affordable solution that gets the job done. If you're looking to pick any of these, you're in luck. Some of these products will be on sale on Amazon from September 8th until the 21st. So be sure to check the description for the link. Let me know in the comments which product you'd find most useful.